My name is Suzanne Dumas. My husband and I were longtime residents of Lincoln and have many family members who are residents who still reside here. We also always loved our years spent here in this fine town. However, we owned a summer home on a small lake in Burrillville. Over the years, that place became our paradise, and we made it our year-round home in 1996. We fell in love with the joy of rural living, and so did our children. We never thought that our environment would be threatened by this polluting monster that has been proposed for our neck of the woods. And it will impact all our neighbors within 31 miles. All authority seems to have been taken out of our hands. Not our zoning board, our town council, our planning board, nor our building inspector have the ability to save us from this ominous plan. We are in the midst of a process which Governor Raimondo told us to trust, where there are 3 members, the EFSB, which hold our fate in their hands, appointed by the very governor who has proposed this disastrous proposal. You see, our small rural town already is home to the largest power plant in Rhode Island, and we were the victims of the largest chemical spill in our fine state. The fact is, the DEM refused to locate Ocean State Power Plant on a proposed site on Wallam Lake Road on the grounds that it was not a proper land use for that parcel. That parcel contains miles of conservation land, many nearby recreation sites used by Boy Scouts and campers, which I bet many Lincoln families have used over the years. Pristine forests, lakes, and air, home to many species of animals and wildlife. 25 square miles of forest will be destroyed, including much of which is a wetland. Yes, the new power plant has now been proposed at that very same site, and this is a much larger power plant than the one originally denied. This is perplexing to all of us, and this, my friends, is the process we are supposed to trust. We have asked our neighboring communities to stand with us, so we stand before you, distinguished council, asking you to join us in this resolution against the new power plant. Thank you for allowing me to speak.